How to use Roblox Account Manager. Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the Roblox Account Manager. If you're looking to manage your account settings, security and game preferences more efficiently, you're in the right place, so let's get started. First, log into your Roblox account on the website. Once you're logged in, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner to access the settings menu, and from there select settings to open the account manager. In the account manager, you'll see several tabs. The account info tab allows you to update your username, email and password, so make sure your email is verified for added security. If you want to change your username, keep in mind there's a fee for this, so plan accordingly. Next, click on the security tab, and here you can enable two-step verification to add an extra layer of security to your account. This is highly recommended to protect against unauthorized access. Follow the prompts to set it up. Now head over to the privacy tab, and this is where you can manage who can contact you, follow you and join your games. Adjust these settings based on your comfort level, especially if you're concerned about privacy. And that's it. You are now ready to use the Roblox Account Manager effectively and know about all the settings. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Happy gaming! Thanks for watching.